No judgment. No regrets. No worries. No unregistered firearms. That's our aim. If you have one, hand it in. The National Firearms Amnesty.